In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register on Temu Australia payment method 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, how to add a card, and how to link alternatives like PayPal or Afterpay, all without any confusion. Start by opening the Temu app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account before you begin. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to update it so the menus match what you see here. From the main screen, look along the bottom and tap the U icon, the little person silhouette that takes you to your profile area. This is where Temu keeps all your personal settings and account options. In the top right corner, tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll until you find the section labeled Your Payment Methods and select it. This page is where you'll add, view, and manage your payment options for faster checkout later. If you're adding a credit or debit card, choose the option that says Add a credit or debit card. You'll see two ways to enter details. You can type the card number, expiration date, and the 3 or 4-digit security code, or you can use your camera to scan the card. Scanning is quick. Hold the card in good light and keep it steady so the numbers are captured accurately. Whichever method you choose, double-check each digit and make sure the name and expiration date match what's printed on the card. Temu may ask for your billing address. Enter it exactly as it appears on your bank statements, including the correct suburb and postcode. Using the precise address helps prevent verification errors and failed payments later. If you prefer an alternative payment, look for the buttons for PayPal or Afterpay and tap the one you want. You'll be guided through a secure sign-in or authorization flow to link your existing account. Follow the prompts on screen and approve the connection. If you're switching between apps during this step, return to Temu when you're done. When everything looks correct, confirm by tapping Add your card or link account to save your choice. You should see the new payment method listed on the Payment Methods page, which means it's ready to use at checkout. If you run into an error, re-enter any numbers carefully, ensure your region is set to Australia, and verify that your billing address matches what your provider has on file. That's all you need to register a payment method in Temu Australia. Keep your details up to date, and you'll breeze through checkout next time. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.